welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to talk about drop caps in InDesign. A drop cap adds a professional flourish to any layout, whether you're designing a magazine, a poster, a book. This fundamental typographical skill isn't difficult to master. Once you know the basics, you can develop your drop cap designs and create jaw-droppingly beautiful results. Watch till the end to find out how to create a simple drop cap in InDesign and how to take your designs to the next level with stunning scale, color, and graphics. If you're new to InDesign, no worries. I have a great resource for fun and easy to follow videos for beginners. You can check it out anytime and I'll put the links in the description. By the way, if you're new to my channel, welcome, and be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I post one of these educational videos. Okay, with that out of the way, let's get started. How to set up a simple drop cap. With your InDesign document open, you should first prepare a text frame on your layout using the Type tool, and it's this letter T over here. So let's do it like this, and then fill the frame with a paragraph of text you would like to add a drop cap to, like so. Now highlight with your Type cursor the first letter of the paragraph, or simply place your cursor somewhere into the paragraph. From either the paragraph formatting controls panel running over along the top of the workplace, or from the paragraph panel here in Window, Type and Tables, Paragraph. Locate the drop cap number of lines option. It is indicated by an uppercase A. This is this one in the corner of a sequence of lines, and this one over here. So let's just use this one at the top. So by clicking the arrow up or down, or by manually typing in a number, InDesign will set the drop cap to extend a specified number of lines, increasing the size of the letter as it does. As you can see on this one, you can maybe like that. And you can also adjust the number of characters included in the drop cap over here, this one over here, by increasing the value of the drop cap one or more characters. So like this, if you want it like that, but let's just stick to one. So this is perfect for when you want to pull out a whole word or phrase as part of your drop cap effect. And here are some simple tweaks that will help you get the most out of your drop cap and will give it a professionally polished look. So first, go to Window, Type and Tables, and Story, and then click on Optical Margin Alignment there. And this shifts any straggly serifs or apostrophes to outside of the text frame, giving the whole paragraph, including your drop cap, a cleaner appearance. And for example, what if your drop cap is crowding some of your paragraph text? For example, let's copy this one. Oh no, let's just say this is letter R. And as you can see over here, the R is kind of overlapping the letter A down here. So what you can do from either the character formatting controls panel at the top, this is the character formatting controls panel, or you can also find it on Window, Character, here we go. Just increase the kerning. If you highlight this, and then just increase the kerning until the drop cap is separated sufficiently from the paragraph text. So like this one maybe, all right. There we go. And finally, you can shift the baseline of the drop cap to allow it to be more nicely framed by the surrounding body text. So if you highlight this drop cap letter with your Type cursor and then increase the baseline is this one or this one over here. So if you go up and down with this arrow, it changes the baseline value. And there you have it, a simple, super professional drop cap, which looks fantastic. So try pulling out the drop cap in the contrasting color using the swatches here, or the swatches panel over here in Window, and then Color and Swatches. There it goes, and you can change it to whatever color you have. Okay, so now the next thing is how to create an advanced drop cap effect. You can give your paragraph's text frame more of a creative look by creating a custom shape for the text to fill. And you can create a range of shapes using the shape or drawing tools in InDesign, or use Adobe Illustrator to create something more unique. So for example, let's just use the polygon tool for a simple shape. I'll make this bigger. Okay, and right click, go to Content, and choose text. This will transform any vector shape into a text frame. And let's do this none. And then we can now fill our frame with text, making sure to remove the first letter of the paragraph. So I remove the letter L over here. Let's make it smaller, something like this. Okay. Now create a second square text frame using the type tool again, and then type your intended drop cap character into the text frame. And this one should be letter L. I'll just try letter R because I got to show you something later. So that's letter R, and then just enlarge the character to your preferred size. Maybe 120 will do, or let's say 1. And move it into position over the top left corner of the body text frame, somewhere here. Now with the drop cap letters selected, head on to type and then create outlines. Then this character will be vectorized. Then with the vector drop cap selected, go to window and text wrap. Now we'll just have to set the text wrap option to wrap around object shape. It's this one there, and then we can already tweak the offset value to push the text away a little from the very edge of the letter, something like this. Okay, so if your letter has any completely or partially enclosed areas like this one over here, you will need to ensure the body text is pushed out of this area or these areas over here. And this will add to the overall look of the drop cap and improve the readability of the paragraph. So in order to do this, just take the ellipse tool, it's this one, and then drag over the drop cap letter, roughly filling any gaps. So let's just do it something like this. So with the ellipse shape selected, return to text wrap, it's this window, and set the option to wrap around bounding box. And it's gonna be the second one, this one, there. Oops, maybe set it to none. All right. And then we can copy this shape and put it over here, there. Okay, so you might need to move your drop cap letter along with this ellipse up or down a little until the paragraph text flows around the shape evenly. So your advanced drop cap effect is basically finished, and if you choose to keep it set in a classic black color, that can look very elegant. However, you can also jazz up your drop cap with color by switching the fill color to any color you like, and this is a great way of making your drop cap the focal point of your layout. And another creative technique is to fill your drop cap with an image, making it an even more interesting feature in your design. This is really quick and simple to do. Simply right-click on the letter shape and then go to Content and choose Graphic. And InDesign will now treat the letter as an image frame. And then just go to File, Place, or you can also do Command D. Let's do that, and then just choose whatever pattern or image that you have. So patterns and landscapes look lovely, but close-up portraits of models and still life shots can also look really impactful. So once you've chosen your image, just click open, and there we have it. So just preview. It would be something like this. There you go. Drop caps are a fantastic technique for adding elegance and creativity to your magazine, stationery, and book layouts. Whether you opt for a simple style using InDesign's inbuilt drop cap function or create your own custom design, you'll find that drop caps really are the cherry on the cake of a professional typographic layout. So, did you find this video helpful? Please share your comments below. And if you like this video, please subscribe, like, and share this on social media. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Keep watching and keep learning. Bye!